Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I talk all things photography, videography, and the gear that helps us make it happen. Today, we're taking a look at the FULAIM X6 wireless live microphone system. And this one is a little different. It's not just one mic or even two mics. This kit comes with 4 transmitters. That's right, 4 lav mics that can run simultaneously into one receiver. So whether you're recording interviews, group podcasts, or creating TikTok videos with a crew, this setup might just be the thing you didn't know you need. Let's dive in. First off, this is a solid little kit. Inside the box, you've got 4 transmitters, each with built-in microphones and clips to attach to your clothes. 1 receiver, adapters for iPhone lightning jack, a USB-C cord for attaching it to your Android, a 3.5 TRS cable for cameras, a travel case for when you're on the go, and a USB-C cable that allows you to charge all of the receivers at once. Here's where the FULAIM X6 really starts to shine. It has 48 kilohertz 24-bit audio. That's a really nice resolution capture, and honestly, it sounds really clean. It captures crisp and present vocals, and I tested these out in a few environments like quiet rooms or outdoor chaos, and it held up surprisingly well. There's intelligent noise cancellation baked into these microphones, so when noise cancellation or random city noise, it smoothed everything out pretty effectively. Let's take a listen. Now, what would 4 microphones be without dead cats? The good thing about this kit is that it comes with 4 dead cats. As you can see, I'm using one right now, and it really helps to prevent any wind hitting the microphone directly and ruining your audio. I'm not sure that I mentioned, but here on my roof, which is above the 6th floor, it is actually pretty darn windy. I'm not sure if you can see the wind hitting these leaves, but it's definitely hitting the microphone. But I believe with the noise cancellation and the dead cat, make sure that I can still get very clean audio. And that's something that you're going to be able to take advantage of, especially when you're recording content that you may only have one time to get. The reason why I added these microphones to my kit is because in the next coming year, I'm going to be doing a lot more filmmaking, and there may be times where I need to mic multiple subjects on the go. So this kit allows me to use those 4 mics, mic those subjects, and to be able to record directly into the camera. All the audio is really going to be a great game changer, and most importantly, a time saver. Let me share with you one underrated feature. The receiver has a TFT screen that gives you live information, volume levels, connection status, audio mode like mono or safe track. And yes, there is a 3.5mm real-time monitoring port, which I always appreciate. Being able to hear what's happening in real time saves you from nasty surprises in post. Now you could get up to 164 feet of wireless transmission. I tested it out on my rooftop, and yeah, you can move around pretty freely without signal drop. Obviously, line of sight is best, but it handles obstructions pretty well too. So whether you're filming B-roll from a distance or recording a walk and talk style video, the X6 gives you the freedom to move. I'm gonna do a little range test. I'm just gonna walk away all the way to the edge of this roof and test out not only the quality of the audio, but how far I can go as well. You should be able to hear me just fine right here. And this is actually pretty far. This is, I think it's about, I don't know, 50, 70 feet, something like that. It's pretty far away from where I'm at right now. I can't go back any further. So as you can see, there's no obstruction. So this is direct line of sight, and I should be getting the best audio quality that these microphones can produce. As many of you know, you can create great video with maybe not the most expensive gear in terms of camera, not expensive lenses, but audio is one thing that you should not sacrifice on. And that's why I think these microphones produce great audio for the quality of sound, especially when you need to mic multiple people. Now this might be my favorite part. Plug and play with almost any device. iPhones, check. Androids, check. Mirrorless or DSLR cameras, check. I recorded clips for Instagram Reels on my phone, did a podcast style video on my camera, and even used it during a live stream session, all with zero hiccups. Now let's tackle the most important question. Is it worth it? If you're a content creator, educator, interviewer, or even someone who needs to mic multiple people without dealing with a full studio setup, this is a fantastic value for the price. Got great sound, easy setup, works with everything, and you get 4 mics in one kit. It's really hard to beat that. If you're interested in picking one up, I'll drop a link in the description. And if you have any questions on how it performs in specific setups, let me know down in the comments. I'll be testing this more in different shooting scenarios. As always, thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you found this video helpful at all. Subscribe for more gear reviews and photography content. And of course, until next time, keep shooting and stay creative.